Do you feel like when you grow up and you're out in the world looking for a job or you're in college that there'll be enough opportunities for all of you to do what you want to be able to do in life?
No.
In this country?
In this country?
No. Like, I'm only 13, so I won't be 18 like for a while. But even by the time like I'm 18, or if I go to college and by the time I get out of college, there might not be any jobs at all like left, and I'll just be sitting there like, you know, I have like a degree in this very smart subject and nobody wants me.
I don't think that people always say like, if you go to college you get a better job, but then you go to college and there is no jobs.
For me, I find it quite sad that you all said that you don't necessarily think that there's anything for you in this country when you grow up. How do you feel about that?
Very disappointed.
Yeah.
Very, very.
Like thinking that you might have to leave your family and your home and go somewhere else just for a job.
What do you think that the next government, whoever it is, should be focusing on? What's the one big change you think that they should make?
Maybe if there was more, say, community centres around, youth clubs or something, because like there's a lot of teenage like drinking and all happening on weekends, like all teenage crime, hopping over walls and all this.
We've been visiting youth like facilities and community centres and seeing what they have and what they don't have. But like there's an area up in City West where there's a lot of new houses and there's a lot of new skills, but there's no youth like facilities. I think like they should be focusing on what's best for people in this world. Like people don't have any like anywhere to live or anything, so they should focus on building stuff for them, like just like a place. I know there is one in Fettercairn where there's apartments for the homeless and they're allowed to stay there 5 nights a week, and I think that's very good because there's people out there that it could be snowing and they're out sleeping on the streets with no socks, no shoes, no nothing.